Hi guys, welcome to Gluten-Free Friday. You're probably like, girl, why are you alone? Well, we're gonna have a very special edition of Gluten-Free Friday. It's our interns' last week. Well, next week's our last week. But you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be their last Gluten-Free Friday. So we're gonna have them take over our Facebook, Gluten-Free Friday for Facebook. And they're gonna be making a recipe all on their own. We've had a fabulous semester with them. We are so sad to lose them, but they will give you a final show. So we're gonna have Annabelle and Camilla on. Everyone come in. And I'm gonna give Camilla my microphone.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
I'm Camilla.
I'm Annabelle.
And we're taking over Gluten-Free Friday today.
Yes.
We're here. This is our first time making this high protein taco dip. So we're
Super yum.
Yeah, we're very excited. So yeah, we're sad to go, but we're excited to have this last show.
Yes.
So let's start with the recipe. So first we're gonna make this like the saucy part of like the dip.
Yes.
So we're putting cottage cheese into the food processor. Yeah, cottage cheese has been all the rave on TikTok. Every recipe I see is like cottage cheese.
So true.
But okay, and then next we're putting in our shallots. This is gonna be so yummy. I'm so excited. Okay, and then next our taco seasoning.
Nice.
And you can either make your own taco seasoning, or I know they sell like store-bought ones. And then next we'll just put our onion powder. Oh, if it wants to come out. Girl. Wait. Okay.
She was stuck.
She didn't want to go. She doesn't want to be processed. Okay. And now we're gonna mix it all up. Watch your hands. Okay. And then do you think that's good? Should it be a little bit chunky or no?
I feel like
Okay. Like that? Or more? Okay, and before we start again, is it cheese and then this, or this and this?
Whichever.
After
cheese
this.
Cheese and then the beef.
Okay.
Half.
do you want me to
Half?
do it or do you want to do it?
I do half of each.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, we're back. We mixed up until it was smooth, and so now we start with our layers.
Yes.
So.
This kind of reminds me of like bean dip.
Oh
Have you had like 7-layer bean dip?
Or like spinach dip.
Yes,
I love
true.
spinach dip. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna put half of this first because we want to do a layer of it later on. So.
Yum, it
How's it
smells
looking?
good.
It looks smooth. It smells good. Maybe you can move that thing out of the way, just in case.
I'll move it. I'll just take it off the frame. Okay, walk us through. What is it smelling like? What is it looking like?
Very cheesy.
Okay.
Smells good. It looks nice and seasoned. I'm excited. Ooh. It's kind of messy, but that's how you know it's good. Okay.
True. I
made
like
with
how
love.
it doesn't look too thick either.
Yeah. Okay. I think just a little bit more. Okay, and that's like about half. Okay, so we put half of that into the ramekin bowl.
Yay.
And now we're gonna just put half of the cheese. I think that's good. I'll smooth it a little bit. Oh, it's getting all stuck. That's okay. All right, and then
some
half of
beef.
this. Do we have another spoon? I just don't want to.
Oh.
Okay. Yum.
Yes.
And we
it
also-
definitely smells so good.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no, it's okay. We seasoned this with the taco seasoning as well.
Yes.
So it's extra seasoned. No complaints. And then now we just repeat with the same little cottage cheese
Did
dip.
you make this for Cinco de Mayo?
Yeah,
Yes. This is a very fun Cinco de Mayo
I recipe.
dish. If you're looking to excite your guests.
Yes.
We'll confirm once we try it.
Yes. We need to confirm it as first. Okay. Smooth that out. And then the cheese again. We'll just put the rest of that.
Yeah.
Smooth it. This is gonna be extra cheesy. We got the cottage cheese. We got the mixed cheese. I'm excited.
I'm excited to see what it looks like after we bake it.
Oh yeah, because we're putting this in the oven after we finish our layers. We're gonna put the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna leave it in there for like 8 to 10 minutes.
Yes.
And then we'll just top it with these jalapeno slices. Cute.
Yay!
Yum. Okay.
And then
All
she goes
done.
in the oven.
Now she bakes, and we'll be back when this is done.
Yes.
Ooh.
Who's
put-
there? Who's
Who
there?
put that in there? Wait, let's see what it is. Like, I don't really know.
What is that? Guys, what is that noise?
Oh.
Oh wait, I think our taco dip is ready. Our taco dip is ready.
I love it. It looks so
Yay.
nice and cheesy and
It does. It looks very
delicious.
gooey
I don't
and
want to
yummy.
burn myself. But I'm gonna place that down. We have our little chips, our tortilla chips, ready, and we're about to feast. I'm excited.
We are.
All right. This looks so cute.
We need to do a cheers.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared.
I don't want to get the jalapenos
I
yet.
know.
Just
I don't
yet.
need some
Ooh.
I don't need a spicy
Wait, the
first
cheese
bite.
pull?
cheese pull.
Wow.
She's there.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Mmm.
I really like.
That's really good. Wait, I hope I don't have cheese on my chin. But
It tastes like queso and beef.
better.
Yeah.
Like elevated.
Yeah, a very elevated, flavorful
Cute.
queso. I feel like you can taste the shallot.
Yum. Let's go in for a second one.
I know.
We need to
Reevaluate.
Oh. I'm trying not to get the jalapenos.
She's very cheesy.
Oh, okay, my chip broke. That's cute. Okay.
I do feel like this would be perfect for Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah. Like just a little cute
An
appetizer.
Exactly. Would recommend.
Delish. I love it. I wonder how it is with jalapenos, but that's for another day. 'Cause I'm not doing that right now. But you can make it as spicy as you want. Take the seeds out, keep the seeds in, keep some of the seeds in. It's up to you. But
Very true.
I'm not doing that today. But this was a 10 out of 10.
Yes,
I really
I
liked
definitely
it.
would recommend.
Yeah.
Would
All right.
would make again.
Yes.
For sure.
I will be. But yes, this is our farewell
Thank you for tuning
to you
in.
all. Thank you for the wonderful, wonderful time with the chips. Bye.